Many students often complain they do not understand anything in IELTS reading. They cannot apply tips and tricks given by their teachers. Why? Because they do not understand IELTS reading. You know that if you understand something out of the passage, then you can use tips and tricks given by your teachers. And if you do not understand anything, I don't think so you'll be able to deal with IELTS reading. So my dear friends, if you want to apply tips and tricks or techniques given by your teacher to make IELTS easy for you, firstly you need to understand the passage. If you are able to make something out of that passage, I guarantee you can take the help of your tips and tricks or techniques shared by many YouTubers and teachers. And if you do not understand these tips and tricks, not gonna help you. So what you have to do? Firstly, you need to improve your English, especially you need to know the difference between active voice and passive voice. When you learn English, try to be strong in active voice and passive voice formation, because most of the times we find passive forms in IELTS reading. Second thing, try to learn as more words as you can. Why I say that? Because IELTS reading is the test of vocabulary and phrases. You can understand the phrase if you have a good vocabulary, and you can make out the meaning of this if your grammar is good. You know the differences between active voice and passive voice. If you develop all these things, I guarantee you some tips and tricks gonna work for you. And if you do not understand anything of IELTS reading, no tips is going to work for you. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm here to help you with your IELTS reading, so your IELTS reading becomes easy for you and you get your desired band score. I'm not here to fool you that I have some magical tips that will help you to score high, and these tips and tricks make IELTS reading easy for you and you are going to score band 8 in your first attempt. Yes, you can score band 9 in IELTS reading if you understand the text, if you translate and make out the meaning what is written over there. And if you do not, I don't think so anything is going to work for you. So if you have to improve your IELTS reading, start from active voice and passive voice, collecting vocabulary. Start reading newspapers and magazines and then deal with IELTS reading. If you do so, I guarantee you after a couple of weeks, IELTS reading will be a little bit easy for you. And if you directly jump to IELTS reading, nothing is going to work for you. So my dear friends, take care of this strategy. I guarantee you will be happy to use all these things and your score will be high. Thank you for being the part of this video. See you next time.